Let's also now bring you some updates on what's happening in the Bengaluru micro markets. If you're looking for a home with excellent connectivity but are on a budget, then Horamavu is an option you might want to consider. The suburb is today attracting many IT employees of the city for quality homes that are priced right. Lakshmi Sivdas reports on what's working for Horamavu and what are the pitfalls of this area.
It has become the most populated ward in Bengaluru, and with it, Horamavu's real estate fortunes are also turning a corner. A dearth of land and homes in neighbouring localities Banaswadi and Ramamurthy Nagar have made home buyers and developers weigh options in Horamavu. And things are working in the locality's favour. For one thing, home buyers can access economically priced homes here.
Since we've invested on land at an earlier stage, we are able to offer that at a reasonable price. So you have good connectivity, and yes, because it's reasonably priced, sales have been fantastic. Horamavu has great potential because as of now the price discovery hasn't happened, so you still see a lot of appreciation that can be expected in the near term.
The average sale price for apartments here start at 4,400 rupees a square foot, and there are over 60 real estate developers with projects here. The area's affordability has also caught investor interest, say developers. Investors have received returns of nearly 11% for the last 2 years according to PropEquity data. But that's just one part of the picture. Considering Horamavu is located strategically in the outer ring road with easy access to both North and South Bengaluru, many consider homes here a value for money buy.
Once upon that time, this area was quite far away from the city, but today it is a heart of the city. You see the distance for the airport. Railways like Cantonment, East, Kayarpuram, all are nearby. Hebbal nearby, Manyata Tech is nearby, MG Road, Commercial Street, all are in the nearby vicinity.
Top developers whose projects you can explore in Horamavu include Kolte Patil, Prestige Estates, DS Max and Akshaya Builders. However, social infrastructure is still underdeveloped here.
The social infrastructure is still not developed, which is basically your schools, colleges, your malls and other things. Nothing else has developed in this micro market space. So the nearest, if somebody needs, there's an emergency and somebody needs to go, the nearest entry point, nearest place where they can go and get some kind of help is probably the ITI colony or ORR.
Home buyers should also be wary of traffic bottlenecks at Kayarpuram. However, apart from these setbacks, developers say that Horamavu is a good destination for buyers and is set to see overall development in the next 5 to 7 years. From Bengaluru, Lakshmi Sivdas for NDTV.